What if a chip inside your brain could rebuild a memory you were never able to form in the first place? It's not science fiction anymore. Scientists have already tested it in real human patients, and the results are genuinely remarkable. This technology is called a memory prosthesis, developed for over a decade by Theodore Berger and Dong Song at the University of Southern California, alongside researchers at Wake Forest University School of Medicine in North Carolina. Here's the key brain structure involved: the hippocampus, a small seahorse-shaped region deep inside your brain. It converts short-term experiences into lasting, long-term memories, and damage to it can permanently prevent new memories from forming at all. The device works by essentially learning your own brain's language. Electrodes record the specific electrical firing patterns your hippocampus produces while successfully encoding a memory, patterns unique to each individual person's neural activity. Researchers then built a mathematical model translating those patterns, similar to learning grammar rules for a completely foreign language. Once decoded, the system can replay those same electrical patterns back into the brain using implanted electrodes. This isn't about downloading memories like a video file. Nothing like that exists yet. Instead, it's about boosting the brain's own natural memory encoding process, essentially helping damaged or weakened neural circuits fire the way they should during memory formation. The research team tested this approach in human volunteers, most of whom already had brain electrodes implanted for epilepsy treatment, giving scientists a rare ethical opportunity to test memory stimulation directly inside real human brains. The results were striking. Participants with naturally weaker memory performance showed roughly twice the improvement compared to those with already strong memory function, suggesting this technology could specifically target and boost impaired memory circuits. In a landmark 2024 study, researchers successfully used static neural stimulation patterns tied to specific information content for the first time, marking real progress toward genuinely personalized memory enhancement technology built around each patient's unique neural code. Why does this matter so much? Millions of people live with memory loss caused by Alzheimer's disease, traumatic brain injury, stroke, or epilepsy, conditions where the brain's natural memory-forming circuitry becomes damaged or completely disconnected. For these patients, a working memory prosthesis wouldn't restore specific childhood memories or personal experiences. Instead, it could help the brain properly encode brand new memories moving forward, essentially repairing the process itself rather than the content. Scientists remain appropriately cautious here, though. As one neuroscientist put it, fully replicating a healthy hippocampus remains incredibly difficult, since the real structure contains tens of millions of individual neurons working together simultaneously. Still, this represents genuine proof of concept, hard evidence that brain circuits responsible for memory can be recorded, mathematically modeled, and artificially reproduced using implanted technology, something considered pure science fiction just 20 years ago. So here's a question worth sitting with. If scientists can eventually help damaged brains form new memories again, how much closer does that bring us to genuinely understanding what a memory actually is at its core? Would you want a memory-boosting implant if it became available someday? Let me know in the comments below.